Welcome back, everyone, and I messed up. Reverse Numel. Reverse Numel. Reverse Numel. As was pointed out, there was a hidden Ditto in our opening, so let's correct that mistake. Here is the Numel along with the Ditto that was hiding underneath. The card is actually more valuable unpeeled, so I'll be leaving it intact, but I wanted to show everyone what it looked like underneath. And for future reference, if you're ever opening a Pokemon Go pack, keep an eye out for that Ditto symbol. Let's get started for today, and our first card is a Water Energy, a Rare Candy, Camerupt, Egg Incubator, Bulbasaur, Onix, Bibarel, Slowpoke, Bidoof, Reverse Spinnerack, and our rare is a Zapdos. Make sure to come back for more Pokemon content.